bonus video for today. I'm going to do an overview of math. The next set of videos I'm going to do is going to be all of the math, the big math, we call them TEKS, objectives, in kindergarten. So these will be just kindergarten TEKS. I'm not going to take on pre-K and first grade stuff. Some of it will apply. Some of it all overlaps and lends itself, like goes to the next grade level. It all kind of goes together. But I'm going to focus on the kindergarten ones. This is kind of just a preview video. The math videos that are coming up are going to be about numbers. We're going to have one about numbers. In that one, we're going to include counting, representing, and comparing. That's going to be the number video. I'm going to put a bonus one about patterns. Patterns has actually been taken off our kindergarten objectives, but it's really important, and we go ahead and still teach it every year. Then we're going to do one about adding and subtracting. We're going to call it composing, decomposing, and word problems. Geometry, so 2D and two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes. I'll do one on graphs, reading, understanding, and creating graphs. I'm going to do one on financial literacy, which is just a really fancy way of saying money and understanding money and identifying money and how we use money. So we'll talk about that in that video. And then the last one I'm going to do is time. So that's going to be the next set of videos coming about math. So I'll do one. I don't think they'll be terribly long, each of them, because some of them will be longer than others. But that's what's coming. I'm really trying. I'm working really hard. So this is just a math overview. Those are the objectives that we're covering. If you have any questions, I haven't made these yet, I'm prepping them. So if you have any questions about any of these in particular, about any of these objectives in particular, give me your questions and I'll try and answer them when I get to that video. So I hope you're having a lovely, lovely Tuesday, and let me know. I've thought it was Wednesday all day, so hopefully you have it. Let me know if you have any questions about these particular objectives that I can maybe help you out with.